Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 50 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So to get started, hold the power button, and once you see the boot options, select power off. Now the device will turn off, and once it does so, you want to hold power button and volume up at the same time. After holding it for a couple seconds, you should have INFINIX logo show up. When you do, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. And a couple more seconds will pass, and you will see this kind of page right here. Sorry for that. So once you see this page right here, what you want to do is hold power button, and while holding it, press volume up once. This redirects you to the recovery mode. In here, using volume buttons, you want to scroll down and select Wipe Data Factory Reset, and once it's selected, confirm it with the power button. Then again, select Factory Data Reset. And once it's finished, you'll see that we have the message Data Wipe Complete, and also Reboot System now will be selected by default, so you just need to press power button. This will reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. And because it is continuing the reset, it will take the device a little bit longer to boot back up, so don't worry, this is completely normal. So I'm gonna let it run through, as it will take, like I said, a couple minutes, and come back once the reset has been finished and on my end. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.